What if reality was just an optimized simulation?
For the last few videos, we have been building worlds line by line, manually defining the math for every vector and intersection point. But we are currently living through a massive shift in how we think about simulation. Generative AI isn't just a tool for making images, it's the result of neural networks that have effectively learned the latent physics of our reality. By analyzing millions of hours of human emotion, light behavior, and fluid dynamics, these models have built a predictive understanding of how the world looks and moves.
The gate is open. The physics of this place. It doesn't make sense.
We are moving from explicit programming, where we tell the computer exactly what to do, to emergent simulation, where the AI understands the vibe of physics intuitively. To show you what I mean, I am putting down the code editor today to stress test a platform that is leading this charge, Higgsfield. Higgsfield is a Gen AI platform built specifically for creators. A platform that isn't just generating clips but is actually handling the entire filmmaking pipeline. From visual reasoning to native audio syncing, we are going to see if I can recreate myself in a cinematic universe.
In the world of high-end simulation, texture is everything. We are building fluid dynamics into the very skin of the creator.
Usually, you have to jump between 4 different tools to get a video with good motion, correct text, and synced audio. Higgsfield puts it all under one roof. We have Nano Banana Pro for 4K visuals, Kling 2.6 for native audio and voice, and One 2.5 for those high energy 10-second shots. But the real final boss is Cinema Studio, which acts like a professional film director for your AI. Look at the text on this whiteboard. Usually, AI hallucinates math. Nano Banana Pro actually understands visual reasoning. The equations stay sharp and legible. Here's the game changer. Kling 2.6 generates the motion and the native audio ambience and voice in one single pass. No more hunting for SFX.
And winter is coming.
L'hiver arrive. Se acerca el invierno.
Der Winter kommt.
Dòng tiền rào lái le.
सर्दी आ रही है.
One 2.5 is for the culture. It handles stylized prompts and complex motion. Look at how these particles follow the vector field logic.
Let me show you the workflow.
All right, let's look at the actual engine room. The first thing, I'm uploading my own photo in the reference slot. This is the secret to character consistency.
Now let us type the prompt.
Notice I'm being specific about the bold outlines. I'll hit generate, and there it is. It's me, but in a 4K Grand Theft Auto loading screen.
I'll quickly generate a close-up version of this one. Now, we take that 4K asset over to Kling 2X. World actually starts to breathe.
Now let us type the prompt.
Physics is the game. And in this version, I'm the one writing the rules.
The line between code and creativity is blurring.
What else are you asking for?
Our traditions define who we are. We have lived here for centuries, honoring the ways of our ancestors.
What used to take a VFX team weeks, I just did inside a browser window. Higgsfield AI is genuinely one of the most creator-friendly platforms I've tested. Whether you are a filmmaker or a creative coder like me, the level of control here is wild.
This is just the start. There are a lot of things for you to explore. Code is the architecture. Physics is the life. This is the Singularity Project.
Let's dive into the core principles behind this algorithm. Physics is the study of conflict. Fire meets ice, and in the chaos between them, we find the energy to create.
Physics doesn't care about fear and only cares about terminal velocity.
Gravity isn't just a force, it's a pull toward the center of everything we build.
The light doesn't lie. It just follows the geometry of the dark. Before there was code, there was the law of the universe. We are simply translating it.
Jump on the impulse. Defy the gravity.
This Hextech power will change everything. With this, I can finally unlock the future. I don't know what you are, but you're not getting past me.
Building a dream is easy. Maintaining the physics, that's the challenge.
I've been walking for hours. I'm not trapped in here with you. You're trapped in here with me.
You can try it out right now for free at the link in my description. Use it to generate your own cinematic shots and let me know which model is your favorite in the comments. We'll be back to our physics engine series next week, but for now, go build some reality. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.